Welcome you to my channel. This is Dog Mountain. Just want to introduce you to Rocky Rabbit. So I'm actually in the Telegram group, and this is what they're saying. They're saying, heads up, pre-market trading for Rocky Rabbit is now live on BitGet. Let the games begin. Then additionally, RBTC will be listed in the sports section on September 23rd. Get ready to trade. So what they're saying is the coin that we are mining on Rocky Rabbit will actually be listed on the 23rd. Now, from today to 23rd, you can do something and realize a $30, which may actually mean something, because nobody can give you a $30 without you sweating for it. So what I'll do is I will show you how to mine Rocky Rabbit. Let's take a ride. Let me take you to the bot so that I show you how we mine Rocky Rabbit. Okay, so I'm in. If you happen to upgrade the mining system, you may begin to receive passive coins. Okay, so let me claim this. So just like any other mining app, you have to tap whenever you happen to log on. So you check where there is the flash icon here. The number is actually going down. It's reducing. So you only stop tapping after the number hits 0.00000. Okay. Then as you are tapping, if it's a new day, you can click boost. Then you make use of turbo. This one boosts the coins that you walk away with anytime you are tapping. Okay. So let's tap out all the coins here. So that's how we do this one. Then from here, this is something that is common, so almost everybody is able to tell this is what they have to do. Okay, then you can choose sponsor by clicking the top left there, and then you will choose the sponsor from here. Is it Tancoin, is it BitGet, OKX, or Binance? Just like we do it on Hamster Combat. Then the actual mining is done from here. So you see what I'm earning on top there is 142,089 every after 3 hours. Okay, that's what I'm earning. Then for you to boost, this is called the profit per hour on Hamster Combat. For you to boost this, you need to click mine, and then you need to upgrade all these that you're seeing here. Okay, so for now I actually upgraded all these, which is why you're seeing that they seem to be locked. There is a tick on them. So we can click claim, because after an upgrade you'll be coming back here. You see this time which is showing that after 16 hours 13 minutes I'll need to come back and claim. Then on the third here I will need to tap and claim the coins. Swipe up. Even this one here, it's ready for collection. Let's check if there's any other. Okay, so here we're done. Then I have to click coach. This is where I'd ended if I haven't forgotten. So you see I had upgraded all these. After you upgrade those that you had seen in the first place, the fighter, you need now to upgrade coach. So I'd ended up here because I ran out of coins. So I tap there, then pay and upgrade. It's like the cards on Hamster Combat. You upgrade them, and when you upgrade them, the PPH increases. The coins that you'll be collecting every after 3 hours will actually increase. So for this one, if I upgrade it, I'll begin to walk away with 70,000 coins. So there we go, level 5. Then that one, so I'm using the coins that I collected the moment I logged in. And this one here. Okay, so here we are done. There are ticks on all the cards here. So we can check if there's anything that has to be claimed. Okay, so there's nothing, but you have to be claiming. So check. It's showing that I'll need to log back in and claim all these coins on all these cards after 6 hours. So that'll be 23. That'll be 11 p.m. Okay, so after you're done with this, you can now click tournaments. Now these tournaments are pretty important because they determine the level at which you are. So the maximum level is level 10. So with the first one, which is a newcomer tournament, I'm done. I leveled them up. There were coins that I spent. And then the second as well, which is the freshman tournament, I'm done. Ember tournament, I'm done. So with this one here, which is the Enigma tournament, so I'm remaining with how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need to upgrade. By the time you're done with all these, oh my gosh. Okay, so let's click that one which has to be upgraded. We check if we have enough coins. So you see, they need 1,562,046 coins to upgrade. But it's not just a one kick thing. When I upgrade this, let's check. I'm in level what? I think I'm just starting this level. So I need to move from level 1. Okay, that's level 1, level 2, level 3. And as the levels go up, even the number of coins that you need to spend so as to level up through the Enigma tournament will also increase. So until you hit level 10, that's when a Ken tournament will actually be unlocked. Now, the moment it gets unlocked, you won't be able to upgrade unless you now go back to fighter and then you upgrade this step by step. Once you're done with this, you move on to coach, you upgrade, then you move on to tournaments. You keep on doing that until you are done with all this. But I know you won't be able to finish this up, but the little that you're gonna do will earn you some dollars. Now, it's not only this. There is this one here they're calling Enigma. So with this one, for you to be able to get these, I think I'll be doing some videos that you will actually be learning from. You need to arrange all this. So I arranged them and I claimed the 2.5 million points. That's what the Enigma is all about. You simply rearrange all these words. I will be showing you how to do this. So what you do is you click the link, start mining this one, then you also make sure that you join the Telegram group. Okay, then you can also invite people by clicking friends, and then you copy the invitation link and then share it with them. So far I have these people, 3 people. So anytime you invite a person, you're given 50,000 points. When you invite a person who has actually subscribed to the premium package on Telegram, you walk away with 250,000 coins. Then you can also click airdrop. This is where now you need to connect your withdrawal wallet. So now what you're seeing on top there is more like a roadmap. It's showing you how far away you are from getting an airdrop. So the first one, game launched, it's been done. That's why there's a tick. The second one, turn prize pool launched. Then the third one, end by fighting in battle. Okay, they will introduce something very much like that which we're seeing on Pixelverse. If you haven't been mining Pixelverse, or you never mined Pixelverse, you can check out the videos on my channel. I did a video on how to mine Pixelverse. Then there's that one which follows, which is the 4th stage, Bitcoin airdrop phase 1. So that will be obviously on the 23rd, because when a cryptocurrency is listed, what normally happens is people are able to trade it on different trade platforms. Okay, and we'll be able to play that from this icon, which is labeled games. So you'll see when I click it, they're saying please be patient. Access to this section will gradually roll out in order. Keep checking back as it becomes available. So this one will definitely be introduced between now and the 23rd. So be active. Be active. They're saying, your activities on this mining app will actually determine the proportion of the airdrop that you're going to receive. Then of all the things that I've actually said, there is also this issue of picking 3 cards, 3 combo cards, which which is very much like what we do on Hamster Combat. Okay, Hamster Combat. So now all these, you'll be learning them from the Telegram group, which you're going to join. I'm going to leave the link, which you are going to simply click, and then you find yourself in the group. So you will always be getting the updates. Okay, so this is all that I have to say about this one. Okay, so start grinding. Then there's this part, did I talk about N? When you click N, there are those tasks that you have to do. So I've done some of these tasks. Boost Rocky channel, I haven't done this one. When you do that, they give you 100,000 points. You invite 10 friends, they give you 20 million. Oh my god, 20 million coins. This is awesome. Okay, this is awesome. So this is what you have to learn about Rocky Rabbit. You can also click Superset. Superset refers to the same 3 cards that I mentioned, of which you have to pick, and then when you pick the right ones, which you have to pick on that particular day, you're given 2 million coins. Okay, so let's get grinding without even procrastinating.